Did you hear that Yoshinori Oshumi achieved the Medicine Nobel Prize?
I read an article about the autophagy, the recycling in our cells.
Doesn't autophagy mean the self-eating of cells?
I heard that the concept contains both aspects.
The headlines describe the autophagy as a multifactorial system. The process is carried out in every human cell, like we act out recycling in our world. Through the autophagy, the cell is able to repair damaged cell parts, to reuse parts of old cells and to produce energy. By keeping the function of the cells and by limiting the need of energy, the autophagy is the essential of life.
The similarities become clearer when you consider the processes in detail. When we need more space at home, we throw damaged or useless objects away. The rubbish is reduced to small pieces, separated to different materials and reused for new products.
The cells practice two different procedures of recycling. If a cell contains an injured cell organelle, it sends out signal proteins to start the apoptosis, destroying the cell. The signal proteins get into the cytoplasm of the normally healthy cell. In the next step, an autophagosome devours and suppresses the signal, starting the apoptosis. Afterwards, the autophagosome connects with a lysosome to destroy the cell organelle. Like that, the autophagy prevents the cell from a useless apoptosis. However, the autophagy can act like an apoptosis when the death of the cell is necessary and the apoptosis fails. The repair of the damaged part leads to a decreasing need of material.
All the time, the process takes place at a low level to keep up the balance from new and old cells. However, we also recycle material to achieve energy. The autophagy also compensates lacks of nutrients, growth factors or oxygen. This process is effected through signals outside the cell membrane. As a consequence, a double membrane structure called phagophore is built and begins to include a part of cytoplasm. The double membrane locks and releases the membrane proteins used for its building. In the next step, the autophagosome and the lysosome connect to an autolysosome. The cytoplasm is resolved into its components through enzymes. The components move into the cytoplasm to be reused. The comparisons show that we adopted the cellular techniques to act sustainable. Only when we recycle, it is possible not to run out of our limited resources. I found out that through raising or decreasing the autophagy rate, it will become possible to treat tumors.
In my articles it says that scientists hope to find therapies against neurodegenerative illnesses and developmental disabilities.